Time to see what's really to this box Chevy, yo. I'm about to tear up all this shit. I didn't even notice that I thought this was the floor pan. But look, that's like some factory matte type shit. Is that like factory seam sealer? I think it is, bro. I don't know. Yeah, I think it's factory seam sealer. Pads or something, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna tear that up, tear this up. Tear that fucking shit up. I have to take this seat back out. It's cool, it's aggravating me. Look at this bullshit. I already see a pinhole. Damn. We need a floor pan. Trying to bounce with one hand and hold it. Definitely floor pan. Trying to pull too hard, I don't want all this dust flying all over me. My face. Wow, look at that. Box Chevy shit. But you know what? I'm not even gonna cry, bro. Not on camera. I'm gonna cry when I get in the house. Alright, let me rip this up and I'll cut y'all back on. This is what we're looking at so far, guys. Yeah, I know. I gotta get rat pull. That's probably how they got in. Gotta get that up. Get the rest of that up. But it looks like under here, they had, in the front, they had like some type of seam sealer on top of that. That's why that part of the pan's good, right? And the other side looks like it's good under there. Because that had seam sealer, but it still had some of that on top, so it's a little rust. But it feels good when I knock on it. Feels solid. So, I'm gonna finish cleaning this up. Once this floor pan and inside is all done and cleaned up. Clean everything up. It's fairly clean though, like on a lot of parts of the body. Like look at the top. Surface rust, but you still see the original paint. But yeah, we're gonna get it rid. After we do the floor pan and all of that, and do this interior, we're gonna start working on red deck. I'm not gonna do nothing about interior because I'm probably gonna do a whole interior swap. I'm only gonna leave this here until I get what you call it, inspection sticker, and then I'll tear my interior out and do what I want. But alright, let me finish cleaning this up. Catch y'all back on in a minute. Making some progress. Look how clean the front is after I tore that seam sealer stuff off. I still gotta get the rest of that. This back part. Houston, we have a problem. You wanna know what's funny? I might try to do it myself. That's the funny thing. Maybe, maybe not. I had to have someone come here and brace this frame before I take it off the body, so maybe I'll have him do that. Put a new floor pan in here. Or just that rear part. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But let me finish cleaning this up. I'll cut y'all back on in a minute. Back, y'all. I still got a little bit up there I need to scrape up, but take a break. Get something to drink, something to eat, you know? So initially when I first pulled the carpet, I was judging the whole pan off this front. But obviously you can't do that. And this is exactly why. You see this, everybody? Later on, once I get this all cleaned up, painted, and all of that, don't ask me why I'm not putting sound deadener and none of that stuff. Because, you know, the only thing I will put is that stuff that was over here. That's still, no, it's not right there, but yeah, that stuff. I guess it's seam sealer, type matte. I don't know, but that shit obviously held this weight for these years. And I'm not sure, this looks factory, but how are they covering the drain holes? That shit looks factory, bro. But how are they covering the drain holes for the fucking, you know? I don't know. It's probably exactly why it's rusted. But next thing I'm gonna do is vacuum this stuff up, get that back a little bit, then vacuum, then I'll go back in here and start cleaning, grinding, just so I can get a better view. Nah, I'm lying. I'm not about to grind nothing. I'm about to tape up these holes. I'm gonna vacuum this stuff, tape up these holes, and order oil pan. I got the oil pan today for this car, Harley. Go watch that short video dropping soon. Harley min mount. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna order this pan right now. I don't think it's that much, so let me order that shit. And that's another thing too. I'm not sure if this is the same as your regular Caprices, but I could be wrong. But I think the police package and taxi package is a little different. Looking at it, it does look a little tiny bit bigger than the other Caprice. But I don't know. We'll find that out. Do some research. If y'all know, drop that in the comments. And if anybody knows where I can get the bolts for the body mounts, let me know. Drop that in the comments too. Appreciate it. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Box everywhere. Stay tuned. Box everywhere. You know what time it is.